Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, stir-fried pork and scallions. The morning mise en place. The mix station for the marinade and the sauce. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The marinade and the pork getting ready to get together. And here they are together. Heating up some oil in the wok. I add the pork. Then after cooking, I pull the pork. I add the ginger and the garlic and the white parts of the scallions. Then after a few minutes, I add the pork again. Then after a few minutes of that, I add the green parts and the sauce. And here's the finished pork in the wok. The brown rice is ready. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.